Hello, we are here in the Cyborg Foundation, and my name is Ribas, and I'm a cyborg artist, and I have some implants that are connected to online seismographs that allows me to perceive the seismic activity of the planet, and I call this the seismic sense.
And I am Manel Muñoz. I am a cyborg artist, and my sense is an organ to perceive the barometric pressures, and I have it attached at the back of my head, and it allows me to perceive the stability of the weather through beats in my skull.
My name is Neil Harbisson, and I have an antenna implanted in my head to hear the vibrations of color from infrareds to ultraviolet.
Elements that contain the word of a color. So even if you don't see color, you can't ignore that color exists. Also, if color is used as a code, it can be confusing. Hot water and cold water or maps. So I was able to also hear the sound of infrared or the sound of ultraviolet. So if I go into a shop or a bank, I can tell if the alarms are on or off because I can hear the infrared or the ultraviolet. Steve Wozniak has very pure eyes, very pure color, so it's a very precise A note. And in 2005, they thought it was a microphone. In 2007, a hands-free telephone. 2009, a GoPro cam, so people thought I was filming my life. In 2012 or 13, they thought that I had something to do with Google Street View. In 2015, children thought it was a selfie stick attached to my head. And in 2016, many people shouted Pokemon at me. So it keeps changing the social reaction.
I decided to turn my earrings around, and these actually allow me to feel presence behind my body. I feel like all our senses are focused in front of our bodies, but actually the back of our bodies are very dead, sensory speaking, no?
So this organ allows me to start perceiving this rate on the atmosphere through vibrations in the ears. So as you can see, there are...
Now we hear a lot about artificial intelligence, but in the future you will hear more about artificial senses.